This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
If you've decided to learn how to create the apps by programming them on your own, congratulations. I think it's a fantastic thing to do. Not the easiest, which for that reason I congratulate you more. But I think it's the right thing. And I want to give you a triple play combination of how you're going to learn way faster than otherwise. So, of course, you've already taken Udemy courses. I would recommend taking Udemy courses on the technologies that you'll need to create the app that you want. That's basic, and I'm not even trying to sell you that because mostly I teach business and marketing courses. So the tech courses you have to learn from other instructors. So I'm not really selling. Now the other two things are, of course, you can ask as you start working with the Udemy course. You can ask the instructor questions, but most instructors can't answer all the students' questions in timely fashion. So I wanted to introduce you to this website, Stack Overflow. You may be already familiar with it, but it's a fantastic website where whenever I program anything, it's my #1 go-to place, and you can ask any kind of programming questions here, and you will get answers often within minutes by professional programmers. As you can see, it says here, they're a community of over 6.9 million programmers. It's huge, extremely helpful. I couldn't have built my apps without it back in the day. And if I scroll down here, you'll see that all these other categories, especially on the left side, like code review, information security, Android enthusiast, you can see there's many other subtopics that they have special sites for. So it's very, very good. And what I also want to say is before you use this site, of course, they don't, these engineers, they don't want to be asked the very, very basic questions. So they just Google for how to solve the kind of problems that you have, because many people probably already had the same technical issue and posted questions on forums like Stack Overflow, and so there are already available answers for you. So you first take the courses, try the materials. When you get stuck, Google. If you can't find the right information by Googling for 10 or 15, 5 to 15 minutes at most, then post a very comprehensive question here, so that the more information you give people, the more they'll have background to help you. And this way you'll get this kind of triple play combination of learning from everywhere and not getting stuck, because sometimes in programming the biggest time wasters are being stuck. And this is exactly what this Stack Overflow site will prevent you from. And you'll have smoother sailing, less frustration, and you'll get your app live sooner.